So, welcome, beautiful people, to another round of me trying to improve myself in the beautiful, sometimes very frustrating art of programming. Uh, yeah, so let's just get into it. Oh, this looks short. Oh, thank you. I actually have. Oh, come on. I can show you this. Oh, come on. The statistics. I'm improving. Which is hard to see without the statistics. Actually, like without making the records. So it's motivating me. So it fulfills the purpose, the program which I made. My friend contacted me. He's living in Switzerland. That they happen to have open a position. Yeah. Yeah, I meant for me. Well, yes. At the same time, I'm scared of it. That I will not be, you know, like. Okay. 9:29. Yeah, so look at this. Now I'm at 4. Keeps you on edge, keeps you sharp. Well, that's true. So now I'm at 4% 36 for past 3 days, and the VPM is, for average one now is 38.58. So I'm improving. Yeah, yeah, yes. What I did mind is the amount of errors. So yeah, especially in my case, I kind of like noticed that the typing is not really the bottleneck of my progress. It is not. The problem is that I don't know how to do stuff. That is my bottleneck. But still, I would like to type faster. Also, I would like to be smarter and taller and more muscular. And loved by everyone. And paid unfaithful amount of money. I would like not to be the only one talking shit. Yeah, we can fix that. We can fix that right away. Hope you feel better now. Hey. Yeah, sometimes. Today I had a lot of viewers. I had like 13. So there was a lot of chatter in it, but sometimes there's not much. But do not feel obliged to like type all the time if that's uncomfortable, you know, like lurking is also fine. Ah. Oh, win. But I always feel like I'm spamming people's streams. Well, it's actually nice to have a like conversation. It's like if there would be like 4 of the people, then oh, look at that, nice. Well, the Docker is kind of like side effect, really. What I'm doing, what is the main thing? So this concludes the typing. What is the main thing is Spring, and I'm at the end of the tutorial. In here, I still have few things to go through. JDBC, transaction, web, MVC, and that, which I kind of set up in my mind that I want to do. And after that, I want to build my own application. You know, some CRUD application with a database on the end. So, yeah. I have 2 ideas for the application. One being like the tea drinker diary, and the second one being like the knowledge database. I still fully did not decided which one it will be. So we'll see. Oh, come on. This should be like a little bit shifted there. Yeah, definitely. Okay, come on. So now I have to peel my keyboard from the desk. I seriously have and place it strategically for the optimum typing experience. Just like that, maybe. I tilt it a little bit. Maybe that will be okay. That's too much. You know, like making like small adjustments. Suddenly, it's much harder. You know, but that's life. Okay. So we were going through this thing over here. So what we did so far, I have the connection to the database, right? Here, if I do select, and we don't need you, select. Well, first of all, I will say use student, which is the database, and here we have a student table. Select that from this. No? What's the matter? That's weird. Select start from student. Student doesn't exist. Okay. Database. Oh, it's capital S. Okay. Yep. That. Like so. And now if I run it. Oh. So the first one will bump out already exist, yeah. And so I want to do only this. There we go. So that works. That works. And so we have the database. Now, what else do I want to do? I want to do great things. But what is it? I'm continuing the tutorial. So I created a DAO. Then we have the student by itself. Okay, so do we have a student? It seems like we have. So yeah. We have a student. Now there's a mapper. What the hell is mapper? So it is. What does it do? I would think that would map from the result set to the to the class or to the structure which I have in my application, you know, to the representation inside of the program. Okay, so we can do that, and I think I will write it by hand because I want to remember those. Those I know, like there's nothing really. 3 private fields, getters and setters, that's it. Right. And also, like, well, I will not rewrite it in Lombok right now. So, we'll do this. So this is a student mapper, you say, huh? Okay, so student mapper it is. Class student mapper. Here we go. Now, we have a implements row mapper. Okay. Implements row mapper. And that is wrong import. That is very bad wrong import. So we will import a class, and we want the one from Spring Framework, right? The generics is student. Oh, very nice. We have a redeem of some backgrounds. Oh, what it will be. What it will. Oh wow, okay. So save image as, and it will be backgrounds, redeems, and today is 20, 21, 03, 05, I think, 06 already. 6, and it's 2023, and the sponsor of this event is none other than Togglebit. Okay, so now we'll change the background image, and here in redeems, Togglebit. Okay. Center, okay. Oh boy. Oh wow. It's working. Where's that? Here. Mark is complete. And we are doing what? This thingy over here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, we'll try. We'll try. We'll try. You know, like in worst case scenario. Oh boy. Worst case scenario, I can still do this, you know, that will still adhere to like the rules of the channel. So let's say I have a day 8, so it wouldn't be as pronounced. Oh, this looks better, but still, whoa, whoa. Oh, that is awesome. So map row, rs, integer e, yeah, so e instead of so this will be row num, is that, yeah, but it's like this, okay. Result set, that's okay, fine. Now we will return a student, right? So I guess we have a getters and setters on a student, right? Yeah. So, and the constructor takes age? No, constructor is normal. Okay, so we will create a new student, and yep. Okay, so we have a student, and then we will get the, somehow from the result set we will get the thing. How do we do that? Get in, get string, get, oh, okay, so student dot set age, and that will be result set dot get string, and this will be name, like so, right? Right, what's the problem? Oh. No one saw nothing. Student set age, result set get int age, and student set ID, and that will be result set dot get, what is ID? ID is integer 2, okay. Get int, come on, and the name is ID, I suppose, right? Yep, okay, and we return student, of course, because that's my favorite thing to do a lot of stuff and then return null. That's how I roll usually. And then I wonder why I'll have null pointers exceptions everywhere. Yeah. Oh, and I did not restart the time. Oh, god damn it. I did restart it. Oh, whatever. So we will be a little bit longer here. Or I might stop it at the recording time. Oh, this will be strong. This will be strong. But that doesn't matter. Did you stream today, Toggle? I don't think I saw you streaming today. Yeah. No, never on weekends. Oh, that's good that you have some, still have some moral values. Well, yeah, but I don't have like someone. I don't have someone to spend. Well, whatever. Yeah, there are reasons. What is moral? I don't know. You're asking the wrong person. Oh crap. That tea is dark, 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 dark as the medieval history. Yeah, look at that. That's darkness. That's darker than coffee. Well, some of the coffee. Thick. Nice. All right. So we are returning the student. That's nice. Student JDBC template. Okay, so what is the template used for? We might figure it out from the code. So template Java for the defined DAO interface student DAO. Okay, so that implements the student DAO. The student DAO at oh no. Oh no. Student DAO had like defined some things. Okay, so set data source, create, get student. Okay, update, delete, set data source. Okay. So that's that. And we will be creating another thing which is called student JDBC template. And JDBC template. Here we go. When we had that, it will implement that thing, that's student DAO, right? Now, we will... Okay, that's not what I wanted. No, Shift J was that, yes. Now, Alt Enter, implement methods. Yes, all of it, all of it. And... so we have two things, data source and JDBC template. Okay. I can do that, I suppose. Private data source. Data source, here we go, and private, and that was JDBC template. And they call it JDBC template object. So here we go. So now set data source, that is a normal setter, I suppose. Oh, it is not. We are setting it, but then hello, Alabama, Alabama man. How are you? Welcome to the stream. You are welcome to see me struggling in the Spring and the Docker and the Java and at life. Have you ever built a keyboard? Not from a scratch. No, well, not really. Well, what do you mean by building? Well, that would be like no for everything, but you know, like I actually wanted my plan was to design my own keyboard, and I bought this to like verify one of the principles, you know, like on this keyboard, if that suits me or not. And thank you. It is a tea. It is a heicha. It is a shu puer from Yunnan province in China. And it's dark like a coffee. And thank you. One of them traditional. No, I didn't do that. I did plan to do it, but then I ordered this to kind of verify like something which I want to implement on my keyboard. And then I kind of like went, oh well, that's actually nice, you know, like I kind of keep it, you know. I was surprised how well this suits me, so I didn't build my own one. Well, there's one thing, and that is the position of the thumbs, you know, like, so it could be like a little bit better, different for me. You know, like, oh my god, I need to buy the white keycaps, you know, I cannot see anything. Yeah, I'll probably buy the white keycaps. And we have 15 sit-ups, alright. We'll do 15 sit-ups. I'll pause the timer. We'll do 15 sit-ups. Keep fit. That's the new thing here on channel, I think. Fairly recent change. This way, I have at least some kind of movement. Yeah, you could see. And go that. Here we go. Plus 15, right? Yep. Remote control on the floor. No, it's like sometimes I have a big screen over here, and sometimes I'm just lazy being like here at control the brightness and so. Alright, I already feel more like a human being. Here we go. Where's my mouse? Here's my mouse. Alright, that was awesome. So, thank you to the Clash of Caston for sponsoring my health. What we are doing. Yeah, so here the data source. So we are setting the data source, but we are putting it in. We are using it to constructing the JDBC template object. The JDBC template. Okay, we can do that. This data source equals this. If I have it like this, I can write it like so. And this also I can do JDBC equals new. Yes. Like so, or Well, technically I can do data source. Now we have the create. Okay, so here we have the query. And then we call the update. So this is like the bind values, right? They are bound things, they are called, I think. I think so. I think so. Oh, by the way, Toggle, how is like your Moonlander? I know you had it for a little bit when we spoke later, last time about it, I think. Yeah, okay, so create SQL string is on its way to one of your... Oh, that's why. That's why I saw you like choosing another keyboard on a stream. Yeah, I have heard that for many people the thumb cluster is too far. It would be for me too, I think. Some... You donated it. Well, lucky him. Lucky him. But yeah, I wouldn't have a use for it neither, because like my hands are also fairly like small, you know, so I probably would have the same problem. Oh god. Okay, so my normal stuff, which kind of sticks to my keyboard normally, is gone, and it doesn't stick to it as well. Oh well. Yes, I'll place it like so, and hope for the best. Some unexpected problems with that now. Oh well. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so we are doing this, not really, but okay, so string name, so here we will have a, and that is... Oh, excuse me. Hope that didn't kill your ears. Insert into a student. Okay, so string SQL equals insert into student, and here will be the question. This is how you do SQL, right? Like so. The values. Okay, so it was name, age, values, question. Yeah, that looks all right. That looks all right. And then we do on the JDBC template, right? We do that. Yes. JDBC template object dot update. And SQL name age. Sure. SQL name age. Like so, and then what? Created return. Okay. So created student name equals name plus age equals space plus age. Yep. Okay. Okay. That's it. Why does he have their return statement? I don't get it. You don't return anything, so, and that's the end of the method. Why? Hey, nicer. Yeah, sometimes like people, I have in the channel points like some, you know, squats, Superman, jumping jacks, push-ups, 1 minute plank, 10 burpees, and you can change the points for me to do these things to improve my health. So, oh, 15 squats. Okay. Oh, we can do that real quick. I don't even have to change my camera for squats. Yeah, it is. Because I don't move at all, like the freaking quarantine. Wow, I feel fit today, huh? Even jumping. Cocky beginner. So thank you very much for that. I already feel much more productive. Clash or Custom, that's my, seems like that's my top coach. You know, he keeps me busy. Oh, he comes, you know, and I do. So we have this. We put in the SQL query that I understand. Then we put in a new object. Oh, okay. So we take the ID, we put it into array of objects with the ID in it. There will be one element in that array, in that object array. The JDBC will do magic, and then it will return that object, but it will use the student mapper, right? We did the student mapper. Oh, come on. Mapper, like so. That basically takes a result set, and evidently the result set is some kind of magic where there will be something like map or something like that. How is it represented? So we have a, okay, we have a next. That's, well, it's interface. It's hard to say, like, well, we'll see. Was null, get string, get boolean. Yeah, so we will not find how it is represented exactly, but we basically say get something, and then we either provide the column number or the column label, and that's how he finds it. Okay. Okay, so that's cool. So we go back. Okay, so we go back to the student mapper now, even further. That was the JDBC template which I'm creating, and we will change this. So first of all, we want the SQL string, right? So it will be string SQL, and I think I know how it will looks like. It will be select. We want all columns from student, which is name of our table, and now we will select for our ID, like so. That should be it, right? Right. Yes, I did it. So, and now we will use the JDBC template object, query for object, this, and we have here, what do we have here? We want use, it was the string, yeah, string SQL is always first. Then we had it has a three arguments it takes, right? 3 parameters. So which one is it? Well, the first one was that was the SQL, right? That's the SQL. That's every single time. That's the SQL. Now, he put in the array of the IDs, right? So we do new object array, and we will put in the ID, right? And now what you will say? So we are left with 4 another things, and he used the row mapper, and here's a row mapper too. What's okay, so this one we want. Okay, and the row mapper, our is the student something, student mapper. Here we go. Oh, what's the problem? Oh, expected, yes, sure, but there's still expression expected. So, oh, new student mapper. Okay. New student mapper. Okay, like so. And now we can extract this to a student. Hey, Bernardo. That's okay. So we have the student, and then we just return the student, right? Yeah. Student. Here we go. So I think that works. That should work. Hey, how are you? You're streaming today. Well, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Most of the time I do. And the streamer doesn't reach it. Oh my god. Got some trolls in the chat today, huh? And the list, oh, that selects all. Okay. So maybe I could do this. So this will be, the SQL will be string SQL, and that will be equal to select everything from student, like so. Oh, let's see. And now we want the JDBC template object dot query, and we do the SQL, and then we put in the new mapper. Is that how this works? Oh yeah, that's exactly how it's. Oh, so now, oh well. Okay, so I don't want it to be a bar type. Oh, he can guess what it is. That's cool. Feels wrong. Yeah, it is example. Then like after Spring does have like the another thing which you can like basically just write the interfaces, right? And it does the magic for you, right? Is that what you're referring to? So here I will keep this. I don't want var here, and this will be students, and students. SQL delight from Square is nice, but I don't know. I don't know, but Spring has its own thing, which I didn't learn yet, but I know it exists. We did use it in my previous work, and it's also kind of like black magic. Like most of the thing in a Spring, actually. So we have this, and I kind of like was able to do that. Okay, so delete. Okay, so to return something? No. So okay, so if you okay, so I think I'm able to write this. This will be the string SQL will be equal to delete from student ID equals this thing, and then we do JDBC template object query SQL ID. No, it's update. Update doesn't return anything, right? Control Shift I. Update. Oh, it returns integer. Interesting. Okay. So we'll format it a little bit. Also, this would be here. That would be nice. And then we will say that deleted student ID equals plus ID, something like that. Yeah, he is exactly the same. And then he every time he like puts the returns in there. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to me. Like put it in there. Ooh. And then update integer age. Okay, so without looking, I will try it. String, and then we will correct it. So this will be update student where ID, oh come on, equals this student age values age, maybe it is, I don't know. Okay, and we see that we reached the end of the round number 1. Whoop, whoop. And we can continue to round number 2. So stop this.